Would you go back? I'm afraid I don't ever wanna know, yeah. I don't ever wanna know, yeah. I said, baby, let go, yeah. I can see you holding to the past, I'm just trying to move forward, yeah. Long as I can have you, wouldn't trade it for the diamonds and the gold, yeah. Would you go back? I'm afraid I don't ever wanna know, yeah. I don't ever wanna know, yeah, yeah. Bro, we got a dope ass record. That might be the next single. Alright, let's start this video for real now. Jesus Christ. I just woke up. I came to my mom's house last night and I didn't realize there's for real like nobody here, so I'm gonna just end up making beats all day, so yeah. Just need some bread. Whoo, bomb. Goddamn, why is it hot? Fire. Damn, I kinda don't want bread no more. Alright, what's up, y'all? So, as you can see, we're back at the Death Star today. I didn't really have much to do in LA, so I ended up driving back last night. So, yeah, this is honestly the first beat vlog that I ever make. Let's see how successful this is. So this is a song that I've been working on since like, I want to say like February. I started working on this with AM and I don't even know if it's going to go on the album. Am I even still working on this album? I don't even know, to be honest. Whatever happens, happens, and yeah. Loving you's been all I think about when I'm with you. I'm sorry. Why can't you see all the things that we could be if you let me? I'm obsessed. Please hold me closer, baby. I'm falling for you. And she told me how she walk up and leave when she left. Have you ever drowned in a bottle? So originally this was a song, it was supposed to be a collaboration between me and and that ended up not happening. I mean, it could still happen, but I'm not about to spend $3,500 on a verse. Anyways, we're gonna try to do the what's currently being called the Cuco / Joji effect on the verse. And that's basically when you have like your lead vocal, then you have like a calm vocal, and then you have like a backup vocal. So your lead vocal is the one where you really go off, you know, like you hit the notes. The calm was like the one where you're just basically talking the melody, and then the backup is supposed to support the lead but not fully try to like Mariah Carey that, you know? Like most of these new like artists, like we're just gonna hit it with the and a reverb and, you know, let's see what happens. So right now we're gonna record the calm layer underneath the main lead, and as you can see, I don't have an engineer with me, so I'm gonna be going back and forth. So hit all the things that we could be if you let me. I'm obsessed. Please hold me closer, baby. I'm falling for you and shit. So now we're gonna record the backup to the lead. So this one's you know, you're not really trying to like go off. You're not trying to like Mariah Carey this situation, because this is still gonna be like a backup track. It's gonna be lowered as far as volume within the mix. Loving you you's been all I think about when I'm with you. I'm sorry, why can't you see all the things that we could be if you let me? Alright, what's up, y'all? So we ended up mixing it a little bit, and now that we have it fully blended, so let me show you what the idea is. So this is a clip from Summertime by Cuco. Summertime is the time I like to get high with you. It's true. So it's basically a shit ton of layered vocals. Well, actually not even a shit ton. It's only like 3 layered vocals. You have your lead, your calm, and your backup. And then you hit it with the reverb and then whatever, like, pitch adjustment, you know. I'm probably going to end up re-recording it, but for just, like, showing you guys, I'm going to play it without the beat, and then I'll play everything with the beat. And then this is already with, like, effects, like it has reverb on it and all that, so. Loving you, spend all I think about when I'm with you. I'm sorry. And that's how you get the Cuco / Joji effect, and you pretty much hear it on all like the indie pop songs. So yeah, just tweak it, you know, hit it with whatever distortion, reverb, or whatever effects you like using. And then as far as like your beat goes, you know, you just hit it with a bunch of 7th chords in whatever minor key, and then just talk about like how sad you are. That was a really shitty tutorial. I'm obsessed. Please hold me closer, baby. I'm falling for you. And she told me how she'd walk up and leave when she left. Have you ever drowned in a bottle?